Spectrum Mobile employs port protection, also known as port lock, as a security measure to prevent unauthorized number transfers, specifically to combat SIM swapping scams. This lock prevents your phone number from being ported to another carrier without your explicit permission. It specifically targets SIM swapping scams, where fraudsters trick carriers into transferring your number to their device. Removing this protection isn't a self-service option. You can't simply toggle it off in an app. Instead, it requires direct interaction with Spectrum Mobile support. This is in line with security policies implemented around 2020-2022, with 2023-2025 updates primarily focused on stronger verification methods. To remove port protection and port your number, start by contacting Spectrum Mobile customer service. Be prepared to verify your identity with personal details. High-risk accounts may require additional verification steps. Once disabled, you have a limited time window to port out. Finally, initiate the porting process with your new carrier only after Spectrum confirms.